Thanks to tuning in. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media and comment and subscribe. You're tuning into CherryTV, and today we will be reviewing some ModelModel synthetic affordable hair. This install is solely on me. As you can see, my leave out started way too far back, so it pushed my install way back. You've got to make sure that the install is precise, because if you don't, horrendous it shall be. Be sure to check out the description box for any other details that I do not mention in this video. Please do keep in mind that I did layer this hair. I mean, I layered the crap out of it because I just don't like one straight length going down. So that's why it looks very choppy or layerish. So with this hair, I really didn't do much with it. Basically what I did the old method of the flexirods, and that's about it. The flexirods and the foam rollers. Now I did that the day of. I needed to be somewhere, like if I needed to be to work, I did the foam rollers and the flexirods. Oh, I want y'all to hear the hair on the way to work. And that's basically all I did to it. It looks oily because the oil that I showed you previously, I just put that on my scalp, and you know, it kind of trickled down to the hair. But that's the only product that I used on this hair was the heat from my flat iron, which I did sometimes, and the oil that trickled down. Don't forget to check out the description box below for extra deets that I did not mention in this video. Be sure to go check out ModelModel Hair. This is the pre-install of your bomb install, or a quick weave, or something to hold you down until you need to be where you need to be. I actually do like this hair. Thank you all so much for tuning in to CherryTV. Be sure to comment and subscribe and tune in for the next episode. Bye.